-1, -1. -1 point sa langit.
Surrounding feet at all times, we should not litter, and we should also respect Alborado's culture and traditions because we have a lot of cultures and traditions. So,
Ano daw? Dito daw? Saan grab daw?
so our first class
Ah,
is
okay.
as you can see, we're standing here at the Albuquerque Municipal Hall. So, just a bit of history. It was built after Albuquerque became independent municipality in 1861. So, as you can see, the structure is a mix of American and Spanish. And have you noticed we also have the Rizal Monument here? Before this was a park, but throughout the time we renovated the area. We still use the monument, but the small plaza is not here anymore. So, Hall is the center of the local government in Albuquerque and was it is famous in its historic architecture, as you can see with the structure.
No.
The Santa Monica Church, as you can see, we just take a walk going there, and let me remind you, we will be crossing down the road, and we must, for our safety, we must use the pedestrian lane. Okay?
Ay, klaro.
Monica Church. It is built in 1800s. It is full of history, and the architecture is you can really say that it's from the Spanish colonial era. When we were colonized, this is very interesting because we were colonized by the Spanish. It is a sad story, but at the same time, it's very positive because, as you can see, the architectural design is made of coral stones. Yeah, as you can see, the ceiling and the window is very ancient. And what makes it unique is our convent. Our convent is one of the oldest convent in Bohol. And then what makes it unique is it's connected to the church. Yes, that's very interesting. Many artifacts during the Spanish colonial era. Then, have you seen this stalactite? Yeah, it will fix 1 hour and smell it. Every time you get smell it, you remember Albuquerque.
Sula.
And as we move to the next destination, because we're done with Santa Monica Parish Church, which is very interesting also because two times it was tested. It survived during the 2013 earthquake. It's still standing strong. And it also represents people here, the Alboranos. Resilient. Yes. So our next stop would be the Enchanted Mangrove. It is a community managed ecotourism. This is a protected, by the way, Enchanted Mangrove is maybe approximately 5 minutes from here. So let's hop in the van. So this is the group. Well, you can enjoy the sandbar when it's low tide and it's the scenic tall mangroves. Actually, mom and sirs, this became very popular because most of the people who come here, they would take, they would come back, and some of them would be enjoying taking prenuptial photos, 18th birthday, where they go. Yeah, and alongside the marine sanctuary, we also have the marine sanctuary here, the long shore, where you can enjoy the view and the calmness of the ocean. It will make you relax. Bohol's oldest surviving tradition, the making of asin tibuok. Okay, from here it will take approximately 5 minutes, and let's hop in again. The van. We'll end our tour by experiencing another traditional craft that has been passed through generation, the pan making. So from here, as in Tibok, we can walk down there.
By feet.
By feet, of course. Is one of also the oldest ways of making clay pots, and it also became famous because it is also used in making asin tibuok. So, so that's it. Any question?
Sa na John.
This concludes our tour of Albuquerque, Bohol. Thank you for joining us today and for appreciating our histories, culture, traditions, and natural attractions. We hope you enjoyed your visit and will continue to support our local communities. Have a safe trip, and we look forward to welcoming you back here in Albuquerque. Balik sa Albor!